Hi there, and welcome to Secure the Bag. I'm so glad you made it here. My name is TaQuita Hogan-Claiborne, and I'm the founder of Moolah Management and creator of the Legacy Luxe Experience, a premium step-by-step system designed to help high-income professionals, especially Black women, organize their income, protect their assets, and finally step into the peace, power, and legacy they deserve. This community, it was built with you in mind. We spent years working hard, making money, and building success on paper. But deep down, you know income is not the same as wealth. Not the kind that lasts. Not the kind that protects your loved ones or outlives you. That's where we come in. Inside this community, you're going to find the tools, conversations, and strategy to shift from income generation to legacy creation. And you won't be doing it alone. What makes this different? We're not here to give generic financial advice. We're here to help you secure the bag with clarity, with community, and with a roadmap rooted in real protection and premium strategy. We combine legal, wealth, and mindset planning through the Smart Legacy Plan, our signature framework that shows you exactly how to seize control of your money, manage it in an alignment with your lifestyle, accelerate your wealth, retain your assets through legal protection, and transfer that wealth from generations to come. Your first step is simple. Download the Legacy Readiness Scorecard in the next lesson. This will show you where you are, what you already done right, and what gaps we need to close. Then introduce yourself in the Say Hello section. Tell us who you are, what you do, and what legacy means to you. You're not just here to learn. You're here to build something powerful. Let's get to work and secure the bag. Most of us were taught how to earn money, but not how to protect it, grow it, or pass it on intentionally. That's why I created the Smart Legacy Plan, a 5-part system designed to turn income into protected generational wealth. This is not your typical estate plan. This is a living legacy system for people who want peace, power, and protection, not just paperwork. Let me give you the Smart Legacy Plan breakdown. S, Seeds. Audit and control your income. What's the outcome? You're going to go from chaos to clarity. You'll discover where your money is leaking, what's unprotected, and how to reclaim financial power. We eliminate hidden liabilities and begin building a values aligned foundation. M, manage. Align your money with your life. What's the expected outcome? Systems equal freedom. Build custom systems that automate and align your financial life with your vision. No more guessing where your money goes. Every dollar has direction and purpose. A, accelerate. Grow your wealth. Outcome. Your money works for you. This is where you learn to grow your assets, build passive income, and amplify what you've already earned through optimized structures and strategic movement. Or retain. Legally protect your wealth. Your outcome? No more courts involvement unless necessary. No more unnecessary taxes or even any confusion. Put airtight legal protections in place so you don't lose what you've built through unnecessary probate costs, creditors, or painful surprises. This is where you're going to have beneficiary designations, property allocations, and business entities established and protections. They all going to come in place to protect your property. T, transfer. Build a perpetual legacy. The outcome, a legacy that lives longer than you. We architect the plan that ensures your values, your vision, and wealth so you can get passed on clearly, easily, and in your control. Family disputes? No, no, they're gone. Uncertainty? No, replace with a plan. Every step in this plan is designed to move you from prosperity, where you're already at, to perpetuity. You'll stop being just wealthy on paper and finally become the architect of your financial legacy. So let's get started. Begin with step one, seeds. Your legacy deserves it.